So one common question with affiliate marketing is cloaking. Do I need to cloak? Should I cloak? The answer is no, you do not need to cloak. But what you need to do is mask. And what I mean by masking is masking your affiliate links, masking your landing page link. For example, if you're promoting a diabetes offer and you get 10,000 comments or 10,000 likes and you're sending out your chat bots, sending out messages nonstop, people are buying, eventually what Facebook can actually do is they can actually blacklist a domain. So what you don't want to happen is for Facebook to blacklist your ClickFunnels domain. That's why you always want to have that, and also we're going to be tracking. So your custom tracking link can mask your landing page, can mask your affiliate link, and then it can tie all your tracking together. So right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up all your tracking links to be advanced. This is high level. So if you're building out a campaign as we're going through this training, follow me step by step, and always feel free to come back, rewatch these videos all over again. There's very informative information, so copy me as I'm doing this. So what I did is I actually opened up a notepad. So what we want to do is we want to first set up our tracking link. This link is actually going to be for Facebook. And this link is, we're going to be masking this link. We do not want our Facebook ad for people to actually see this link here, this MTC marketing firm. This link we do not want them to see. So what we do now is we come over to ClickMagick and let's copy this. And since I already set this up, what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to click Clone Funnel Step, and then we'll set it up from the beginning, from scratch, so you can see exactly how to do it. So now I just click into that, and I'll change this name to, and then let's update this page. There we go, and I'm going to hit refresh on the screen. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're actually going to copy this right here. And now let's take this link, and we're actually going to make our very first link. So we want to make a link for our landing page. Keep your links very organized if possible. So I'm going to name this Best Product Lander, Main Lander. We can make this 7, 15, 18. And then what we can do is we can choose our domain. So I'm going to use the RalphHealthyLiving.com as an example. So what we want to do now is this /start. Keep in mind your customers are going to see this on the Facebook ad itself in your actual ad copy. So don't make something too long like XYZW9. Don't put any crazy code combination. So if the offer you're offering an ebook or download, try to keep it relative and short. So /start, /download, yes now, whatever you can think of, very short and straight to the point. So now all you have to do now is click on primary URL and then paste that link in. So now we actually have this link here. So now what you need to do now is add on the rest of the tracking parameters. So you want to put a question mark, and now let's go back to my notes. So this is what we actually want to add on to that link. So now all we have to do is paste that in. We have our question mark and we paste that in. So now once we have that pasted in, we can actually, let's just copy this and Control C, and then we can put this into our notes. So for future reference, when you're setting up campaigns, you have all of this. So now let me click on Create Link. So now we know our customers are going to be going to RalphHealthyLiving.com /club /. So just so you guys can see exactly how that will look on Facebook, let me show you. So if this was your Facebook page, we actually see very similar. We have right here, we have /club, we have /now /. So this is our very first link. But we know right now, all we're doing right now is we're masking our ClickFunnels link. Masking ClickFunnels link. So now let's go right back. So now we have the landing page link completed. Now we need to set up a link for whatever affiliate product we're promoting. So in above all offers, I can come here to this diabetes offer. I can click on link, and then I can click on get link, and then I can copy this. Now let's take this link and we'll add that link. So this is step 1 right here, is setting up your landing page link. And now let's add this link here. So now we're actually setting up. Let's paste that in right there. So now all we have to do, this is my affiliate link. But what I want to do, we see right here, it's got ANS1. We actually want to add our sub IDs on the end of this affiliate link right there. So let's do that. So I'm going to take this all the way out, and now I'm going to paste it right in. So now I actually just pasted that in, and now we actually have our tracking set up for our affiliate link. So now we can copy this and make sure you don't have any spaces whenever you're copying. Now let's go right back to ClickMagick. Let's do create a link. But then what we'll do here, let's just put in affiliate offer, affiliate A. So this can just stand for affiliate offer landing page A. So because now our customers are never going to see this link, you can actually put whatever you want here. So I can put XVB and then I can put AA. So now what you want to do is you want to take that link you had on your notepad right here and you want to paste that in. So paste it in right there. So now we have the next tracking link set up. So let's create link. Boom. So we have some tracking set up. So now keep in mind, with your tracking link right here, ralphhealthyliving.com/club, you'll actually have another / on this as the example I showed you on the diabetes page. So whenever someone clicks there, they'll actually be clicking on this right here. This is our complete tracking link now. So let me show you exactly what we do next. So the next step after we do that is let's actually take that link and actually put it right here. So now we can take this and copy this because this link is our affiliate link right there. This is the link that goes to the affiliate offer. So whenever we collect emails, guess what? We know that this is the link that we need to use to set up. So now pay close attention. This tracking link has a variation, the / on it, and our next tracking link is actually going to have another variation on it. So let's grab that in right now. And you can see right here, lander A, and we can paste this. So what we want to do now is add a / and let's paste that. Whoops, I got an extra / in there. So now we actually have this tracking link, which will actually go onto our ClickFunnels page. So our Facebook customers will all see this link here, this very first link. Now link 2 will actually be in the background transferring the data from our email autoresponder, Aweber, ClickMagick, and ClickFunnels. So now the next step is step 3. Now what we need to do is we need to set up integration. And so this is going to be with Aweber, and this is also going to be with ClickFunnels. Now if you're using another landing page builder such as any other ones, Build-A-Rail, Leadpages, a lot of this is very similar. So follow me if you're using those and implement the same tactics. So now all I'm going to do now is actually I'm going to head over to ClickFunnels. Let's open it up. We're in the best students and we're going to click edit page. Now as you can see here, we have a pop-up that pops up. We collect the name, the email, and then this page actually gets submitted. But what we actually have to do is we have to integrate this with HTML. So we see right here, I'm actually in my diabetes secrets list. So we'll use that for example purposes. In the next module, you're going to see exactly how all of this is set up in detail. But for tracking purposes, you'll come into your email autoresponding. You'll click on sign up forms. Now what we're going to do is we're going to choose diabetes opt-in. Then what you want to do is click on go to next step. None of this matters, so don't touch any of this. So go to next step. And now what you want to do is, if you remember now, we actually have, this is our real link right here now. But we cannot put that into here because if we put this in here, you'll actually get errors. So you actually just have to put the very first part, paste that in right there, name your list, and click save form. And make sure this is custom page for the thank you page. Now what we want to do is go to next step 3. And now let me refresh this because I've actually already done this. And then now let me just go to next step, go to next step. So now once you get to this step, now this is where it gets very important because this is very easy to mess up. We want to do, and I will install the form myself. because this is what we're going to do to connect ClickFunnels to Aweber integration. So I will install. Now what you want to do is choose raw HTML. So now we can see this big ugly code. So what you want to do is you can copy this entire form. And just so you can see exactly how this is done, I'll open up one more tab. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paste that code right into here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look for the style and the form. So scroll down with me and we'll find it. Keep looking. It's going to be closest to the left and it's just going to show style. What it is we need to cut that off right there. So you see right here, you can actually see the line. There's a space right here. So this is actually what we need. So everything above this, I'm actually just going to delete immediately. We don't need any of that. So now what we have is we have style all the way down. We want to close it off at form. So as we scroll down, you can actually see right here, we have a script for Aweber. We can actually delete. Now we can come up from the bottom and we're going to stop it at form. So keep coming up, keep coming up. So that script, let's keep going up. And then we actually have form. So we can actually delete right here. So form is where you want to go. So all the way from form, all the way up to style. This is all you need. Now pay close attention right here because this is our tracking link. Remember, because Aweber, in the previous step, they don't let us put in our link. You can actually see it's redirect right here. It's just so in case you're curious. So now what we can do is we can go back to my notepad. And we know on step 2 on the notepad, this is actually our link. So we can copy that. And then actually now we can go to our notepad and we can actually just delete this out and swap it. So all we have to do is just swap it and bam, now we actually have our tracking link passing all our data from Facebook to the email to ClickMagick and our affiliate network. We're killing multiple birds with stones right now and we're crushing it. So now all you have to do is copy all of this, and then all you want to do is copy this and go right back to ClickFunnels, and then you can click on integration, then we'll click on HTML, and then what we want to do is just paste that right in. Then what you want to do is save this, and then as soon as you click save, it's going to say name and email. Because I'm asking for the name and email, you actually have to pick it. Then what you want to do is you want to put your affiliate link right here. So let's go back to my notepad. We know our users are going right here. So as you can see, I pasted that in right here in the notepad. It says manual set redirect. I know my camera's right in the way, so no worries, just paste yours in right there. So let's make this big again. So now once you do that, just click out anywhere onto the screen and then you want to click save. That is a huge step. You just made huge progress on setting up your tracking. So now all we have to do is one more step. We need to put a JavaScript code. And what a JavaScript code is, it actually lets all of this talk to each other, all of our integration. And what we want to do is we want to go to tracking code. We want to paste that JavaScript code in the footer. So I actually have mine. This is actually ClickMagick JavaScript code. You put it right in the footer. So what you do is go to ClickMagick, and then you can go to help, and then you can go FAQ. So now what we want to do is just type JavaScript right here in the search bar. Click on can I pass my affiliate links to my autoresponder. That's exactly what we're doing. We're passing data. So click right here. Here we go. And right here we actually have the script. Add the following sub ID code before the body tag and the footer. So that actually is the footer. So let's just copy this right here. And then what we can do is we can go right back over to our ClickFunnels landing page. We can click on tracking code, footer. And I already have mine in, so I'll just show you what it looks like when you paste it in. So bam, now we actually have a JavaScript code. Now there is one last thing you need to do, and that's set up a postback URL. This video is a little long, so feel free to rewatch it, but with tracking advances this, it's easier to show you on one swoop. So make sure you actually have your notepad ready too, because now what we did is we actually just put in our next step was, so you guys don't forget, we actually put in JavaScript script code on footer of ClickFunnels. Alright, so now let's just put the JavaScript code. So now I actually have that for future reference so you can all see. So now we're on to step 4, and all we have to do now is set up the postback URL. So all you have to do now for the postback URL is head right over to, guess what? ClickMagick. So all you have to do now is click on Tools right at the top, and there's a postback builder. So we can come back, postback URLs. We can click on postback builder. So now this is very important. Choose whatever network you're in. Right now, I'm showing you all above all offers, but they are a cake network. A4D is cake, Convert2Media is cake, Cash Network is cake. A lot of the networks in here are cake networks. You'll also see a couple other ones, so make sure go join these networks. Be in multiple networks so you can see if there's any offers that fit you the best. Just as a little side note. So right now, above all offers, select network. So now we actually have our postback URL. We can copy that. Let's go right back to above all offers. And what we can do is we can go to testing and tracking, and we can paste that in right there. I already have my postback URL in. So now you know that we have our postback URL right here. So step 4 is put your postback URL into the, let's put in affiliate offer. You all are going to be super affiliates if you keep taking action with all this tracking right now. So let's just do one final recap. I'll make this big. So we have our Facebook tracking link right here. What we're doing is we're masking our ClickFunnels link. Then after we mask our ClickFunnels link, they're actually going right here. But guess what? They're only going to this link through our integration. So we can actually see right here when we click on integration, we know that we're collecting the name and email, and right here at the bottom right. So we know that we have the HTML form pasted right in from style all the way down to form at the bottom. We know that we actually swapped our affiliate link in here. So we actually made that HTTP and we added in all our tracking parameters. So now we know that's done. Our tracking's done. We have our email form done. You'll see some more email marketing next module. But now we have that part done. So we also have our postback URL set up. So everything's all set up to go. So make sure to rewatch this video and see exactly how we did this. So let me add in one more note right here. Let's just click on our best product main lander, and we can copy this right here. So then you can all see exactly what this looks like up close. Let's copy that, and I'll put that right here. So we're really masking this link. It's a little long, but you can actually see it right here. So if you have to, just pause this. I'm also going to be making notes on the training, so make sure to look at the mind map and make sure you're paying very close attention to all of the tracking parameters. So now you're ready to track your campaigns in the future modules as we're setting up and building out campaigns. So see you in the next video.